bread with yeast, and I'm kneading it. Yeah. So yeah, I'm kneading it.
This is the bread without yeast.
Okay.
Alright. This is, you know you push the button.
Just continue.
This is the bread without the yeast. And right now we're kneading it so that way later we can see the difference when it's cooked.
Okay, so
this is the beginning of our balloon lab.
This is the test.
Of
this is the test.
Yeast.
It's on the oven on low. See? Here's okay. The balloon is, we have the yeast down there and
the sugar.
And the water.
And sugar.
And sugar and yeast. Go away.
Okay.
And then we have it on low. So, since we last talked, even though this is going to be a long video, okay, so it's been probably, how long would you say, like
10 minutes.
10 minutes, maybe not even, maybe 5-10 minutes, and it's still on the low heat, and it's all foamy, like it's supposed to be, Exhibit A, and then, the balloon, we looked over, and it actually shot up, so there's actually air in the balloon now, because
okay, the yeast acts as a bacteria, and it eats the sugars, so carbon dioxide is released and is sent into
Stop
the balloon.
laughing, this is a serious matter.
Just sort of like how bread is when, sort of like how bread rises. Okay.
Alright, we are punching down the dough, and it's risen, it rose, the rose, okay, and then we have to knead it for a little bit, so we have to knead it, I think this is what you do, you're like,
that's one with yeast.
this is yeast, that's no yeast.
Yes, this one rose a lot more, and this one didn't very much at all while we let it sit.
And then, we have to divide it into half.
And bake it for 30 minutes.
Shape it into loaves and place it into two well-oiled 9-5-inch loaf pans. Okay.
Alright.
Yep. From this bedroom with lots of progress, cold and heartless, and nothing lives, just twitches and moves. It's all synthetic, but it's all we've got. Thousands of wires spread through the thousands of eyes.
This is the one with yeast, and this is without it. You can kind of see the color difference. This is darker, and this is not as dark. And this one, actually, if you go to the side, it actually is a little higher than the other one. You know what I mean?
Except it should be higher because alcohol fermentation shouldn't have happened in here because we didn't add yeast, but we didn't notice something with our flour. Yeah.
Tisk, tisk.
So.
And we had self-rising yeast.
Yep, and that one. Alright.
Okay.
No.
Well,